Surely you're familiar with the concept of a movie trailer, but are you familiar with the concept of a book trailer? If you are a nonfiction author entrepreneur, you should be, and today's video is going to break it down for you. Hi there, Jodi Brandon here of Jodi Brandon Editorial. I work with solopreneurs, creative entrepreneurs, small business owners, and bloggers who want to scale their business with a book. And today we're talking Book Trailers 101. When I published my first book a few years ago, I had never heard of a book trailer. And the concept, of course, makes perfect sense when someone explained it to me. It's just like a movie trailer, which is supposed to get you excited about seeing a movie, get you to the theater, and get you opening up your wallet and handing over your cash to see that movie. Same thing with a book trailer. The idea is to get someone excited about you and your book and get them to hand over their money, open up their wallet, buy your book, and then spread the word. So check out this statistic that I read the other day. According to ComScore, people are likely to stay on an author website for an average of 2 minutes longer if there is video. 2 minutes longer. That's a long time. So you want to take advantage of that. This is a new thing, especially in the nonfiction book world. Fiction trailers have been around for a little bit because it's a lot easier to do a fiction book trailer. And I don't mean technically easier, I just mean there's so much more you can pull from. Character, talking about the characters, plot dramatization, scene dramatization, all of those sorts of things you can do. All of the things you see in a movie trailer, really, you can do in a fiction book trailer. With a nonfiction book trailer, you're looking to keep it simple. So we're talking about, 90 seconds to 3 minutes, no more than that really. You want to be sitting in front of the camera. It's got to show you, the author. That's how you're building the know, like, trust factor, which as a business owner, is so important. Same thing with your book. For people who don't know you already, who don't already have the know, like, trust factor with you, this book trailer is one way to get it and introduce them to you and your book so that they will be more likely to purchase that book, read that book, and spread the word about that book. So you've got to be in that video, and make sure your cover is in that video. And as for how you do it, it's really simple. It's just like making a YouTube video if you've done that before. You write a script, talk about what you want to say, show the cover, wrap it up with a call to action, which, by the way, should be checking out your book. Make sure that it's easy to share this video. You can edit it yourself. You can have it professionally edited. You don't need a fancy production company to do this. You can do it yourself in your office, in a coffee shop, anywhere. The keys are your face and your cover. And then you get it up on your book page, on your book sales page, on your author website, wherever it is you're directing people for information about your book. You want this video, this book trailer, on that page. That's it, guys. It's that simple. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video.